Hello, welcome to Barbecue. Today we're going to make some pulled pork. We're not going to eat it today, just going to cook it today. But I'm going to try out Rich's Rivedart's all-purpose rub. You just cook it all day. So first off, we're just going to trim this a little bit, slather some of this on, and then bring it out to the grill. With the pulled pork, we're going to use some Eastern North Carolina barbecue sauce, and I'm going to follow Scott's recipe over at the Real Show Barbecue. I'm going to link to him above. It's very easy. We're going to mix 2 cups of apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. I only had barely 1, so I'm going to substitute with a few chili flakes to make it a tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. This is this Richć kind of hot sauce. I think it's going to be good. And then it says I could use a tablespoon of brown sugar, optional, and I'm going to make it optional. He put this in the mason jar. I'm going to put mine in this bottle of Highland Park, or empty Highland Park bottle. Anyway, let's do it. Okay, there we go. So it's been about 10 hours since I put this on the grill. It's reached 200 and it's been at 200 for about 35 minutes, so I figured I'm just going to try pulling this. Yeah, this is going to be fine. There we go. So we're going to try this out. So, how about some Highland Park? Just going to pour a little bit in there. First off, I'm going to try this. I'm going to take a little piece and leave a piece with the bark, right? So, there we go, Rich. Let's try this. That's got a really nice flavor to it. That's a good all-purpose rub, I must agree. You did a good job there. Okay, so I'm going to try dipping it in this sauce. See what I get. This is like a British meal. Vinegary. Take a little bit larger piece here. It's really good. Clears the sinuses. Thank you, Scott. Thank you, Rich. This is going to be enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Bye.